do the innermost parentheses first. That means the 2 minus 0 to get 2. Clear? And I'm just going to write everything out step by step, although it's a pain, but it's not as much as writing Shakespeare in your English class, right? If you think of it that way. So the innermost parentheses we're still focused on in here. The trick is we don't go 3 plus 4 is 7. If you do that, then the whole thing is ruined. Why do we not do 3 plus 4 is 7? We did not follow the order of operations. You cannot just do, and that's tempting you to do that. It's just, come on, add me, make me 7 and I'll be wrong. It's like you're the devil on the side of your brain or something. Don't do that. You gotta follow the order of operations. So we went on the inner parentheses. Inside here we have an addition and we have a multiplication. Which comes first, multiply or add? Multiply, because it's here, see? You multiply and then you add. See that? But you got to do inside the parentheses. So we multiply to get 16. And then we add. Alright? And just write it all out again. I know it's a pain. We still haven't fixed the parentheses. There's still stuff to do in there. And that's why we're kind of still on parentheses. Because there's still stuff in there. So don't we add the 6 and 16? And that's 22. Good. The square bracket is just parenthesis. It just means multiply. This just means multiply. This is the same thing, by the way, as 3 plus 4 times 22. It's the same thing. The square bracket is not special. It's just another type of parenthesis. Why didn't they just write it as this? They could have done this. Plus 4, parenthesis, 6 plus 8, parenthesis, 2 minus 0. Why didn't they just write it with like 2 parentheses that look the same? Why didn't they do that? Because it makes it a little more complicated, just because they wanted to distinguish between this parenthesis and this one, so it's clearer, I guess. It doesn't matter. But now we have an addition, we have a multiplication. Which comes first? Multiply. 4 times 22, 88. 3 plus that? 91. Now, Elizabeth, does that make sense?